is Natasha with Natasha's Scrapbook Corner, and today I'm reporting from my kitchen. It is December 20th, and according to my calendar, we're supposed to see the end of time on December 21st. So, saying that, we don't know what to expect. Maybe electricity is not gonna be available, or maybe something else. Therefore, I decided to bake the cookies. On top of that, that helped me to de-stress. And here we go. I baked sugar cookies right there. Oatmeal cookies with the raisin and pecans, and chocolate chip cookies. Yay! And here is a little goodie bags for my neighbors. And I put each of those. And yes, you're not mistaken. This is different shapes. And we have here a little Christmas tree and a little snowman and a deer right there. Yes, so those are goodie bags for my neighbors and friends, and this is just the sweet goodies that we've received from the people who love our family and care about us. And this is my funny Christmas cow. Say hi, cow. But the main cookies are in here. Okay? And they are layered. Let me show you. The top one is sugar cookies. Then the oatmeal. And the chocolate ones right on the bottom, so nobody will sneak them out. So, it's just a little report from the kitchen to say Merry Christmas and distract.